What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I made a video on a project a while ago, maybe actually about a week ago, where I talked about a project that brought back nostalgia, right? Brought back what we know and love from at least my childhood, and bringing it to the new age where we understand that Web3 and cryptocurrency and metaverse and AI and all of these things that are created, right? It's bringing it into a space as of today that we can understand, games that are made after it. We could talk about tokens as well and the use within those tokens. So again, it's all about popularity in the crypto market, right? It's all about what we know and love from our past that we can bring back and be popular again, right? That's what we're seeing within a lot of these like meme plays and popular plays. And this one that I'm bringing you today, again, we talked about it before. Play Doge. They're currently in pre-sale. That we need to talk about, the next price increase, how many days until the next price increase, how much they've raised, and all of that stuff that you guys need to know here. So before we get started, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to check out some of the links down below, it does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Now, don't forget about the link for, or all of the links for Play Doge. I will provide everything that you need to know down there. But again, take everything I say with a grain of salt because obviously nobody knows exactly where things are going. But when you do have a little bit of popularity, you do have money that's flowing into something, you could see a potential gain, right? That opportunity for gain for you, which could be 5x, 10x, 20x, 100x. You never really know depending on the popularity of it, right? No one knew that Shiba Inu was going to blow up to what it was. Nobody knew that Pepe was going to blow up to what it was. Nobody knew that even GME recently was going to blow up to what it was, right? GME token. So let's go ahead and look at Play Doge within this video. Sorry, my voice is a little bit, or my throat is a little bit scratchy, so I may have a little bit of an issue getting through this, but we will try to push through it and show you guys everything that you need to know because obviously it's important times right now. So let's go ahead and get into the website. Currently, Play Doge is in pre-sale. As you can see here, you have 1 day, 20 hours, and 14 minutes until the next price increase. Now you're going to see that currently they have raised $2.8 million out of 3.1 million dollars. And again, you have 2 days until the next price increase, meaning that when you invest now, you know that there's going to be a higher price that it launches at because it's a price increase, right? From where we are at 0.005 or 50% of a penny up to whatever the next level actually will be. Now, if you wanted to buy, you can connect your wallet here. Go ahead and connect it, and you can buy, pay with BNB. You can buy with ETH. You can connect your wallet here and go ahead and join the pre-sale today if you guys are interested in it. You can buy with USDT, you can buy with a card, so many different forms of purchasing here. So Play Doge, the best P2E Doge companion game. Play Doge is a mobile-based play to earn P2E game that transforms the iconic Doge meme into a Tamagotchi-style virtual pet. Embrace the 90s nostalgia. Buy play tokens in pre-sale to enjoy classic 2D adventures and earn more crypto. Start your Play Doge adventure, thriving in his own 8-bit digital world. Play Doge, your P2E companion, still needs care and attention, just like a real dog. Feed, train, and play with your 2D Doge, guided through an in-app mini games and earn play tokens to treat your best friend. Now, this is something that's definitely interesting, right? Because we as kids went through, dealing with, Tamagotchi and feeding and making sure that you take care of this pet, right? This virtual pet that you have, kind of went out the window and never really came back because you had more things that people cared about, I guess less attention span on things that were there. But as you have more people that are focused, let's say on their phone, As you have more people that are focused on their phone, you now have the ability to have that directly in your hands with a different application, a different thing to download, which is coming soon. Play through the PlayDoge app with your digital Doge companion and form a bond that can never be broken. Use Play tokens to activate P2E rewards for keeping your Doge healthy and beating the game levels. So we scroll down here, you're going to see an image of that, the game features, which we did just mention within the last blurb. The roadmap phase one contract audit pre-sale starts, which we are in initial marketing push. Then you have phase two, which app development starts, pre-sale ends, DEX token launch, product roadmap, increased marketing, continued app testing, mini game beta, first CEX listing. PlayDoge app is released in phase four. Full mini games launch, community airdrop, bigger CEXs. So they have a lot planned for this project, and hopefully all can go as well, right? You have one thing that leads to the next thing that leads to the next thing, and I think they have everything laid out the right way, right? Having that marketing push, understanding that you raising a certain amount of money in pre-sale, understanding that you can make it stakeable so that it has holdability to it, right? So all of the things that can make for a strong project they're looking to do within this. Now, the tokenomics, 50% goes to pre-sale, 6.5% to community rewards. Marketing gets 10.5%, 11.5% to liquidity, project funds and staking 12% and 10.5% respectively. Now I did go through how to buy. You can go ahead and connect your wallet. You can buy with many different things. Here, let's also check out the Twitter account, which has grown a little bit. It's currently at 2,396 followers here. And I mean, they're doing big things, right? The things that I wish you would have had in the games that had so many people addicted back in the day, right? If you knew that you were playing Tamagotchi, let's say you had one, right? And it was back in the day, and you were able to gain cash with it as you were taking care of it, as you were feeding it. You know that there would have been an higher incentive in just gathering or continuing that journey so that you can gain money throughout the process. And then eventually people get to a point where they're making thousands of dollars a day just by feeding and petting and making sure that their companion is alive, right? So it's very interesting, insanely interesting. I want you guys to go ahead and check it out. I have all of the links down below. I'm sorry that I couldn't go into crazy amounts of detail, but my throat is definitely killing me right now, and I just want to get some of this tea so that I can get to the next video and produce some more content for you guys. So feel free to check out any of the links down below. I talked about it before. It does look very interesting. It looks like something that I want to play and I want to be a part of because I love being able to earn from playing. Right? That's a no-brainer. It's not necessarily, it's a way of working to earn, but it's less work because you're playing a game that maybe you love, right? So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.